A man drives from Ibadan to Oyo, a distance of 48 kilometers in 45 minutes. If he drives at 72 kilometers per hour where the surface is good and 48 kilometers per hour where it is bad, find the number of kilometers of good surface. So the person drove from Ibadan to Oyo. Now let the smooth surface be x kilometers. Now the total is 48 kilometers, so the one that is bad will be 48 minus x kilometers. Now we know that the speed, let's say the first speed, okay, let's make it this way. We know the speed is equal to distance over time taken. So the speed for the smooth surface is given by 72 kilometers per hour, and this is equal to the distance, which is x kilometers, over the time taken. Let's say it is t1. Now the second phase of the journey is a rough surface. We have 48 kilometers per hour is equal to 48 minus x kilometers over t2. We were told the total journey took 45 minutes, so let's make the 2 times the subject. So t1 is equal to x over 72 and t2 is equal to 48 minus x over 48. So we know that t1 plus t2 is equal to 45 minutes. Is equal to 45 minutes. Now we know that the time is in hours, so t1 is in hours and t2 is also in hours. So we have x over 72 plus 48 minus x over 48. Now we have to convert the 45 minutes to hours, so it is 45 over 60 hours. Now this implies that x over 18, I'm multiplying 2 by 4, is equal to 8 over 18 plus 48 minus x over 12 is equal to 3. So we simplify further. Now the LCM over here is 36, so this will give us 2, so 2x, and this will give us 3, so 3 times 48 then minus 3x is equal to 3. So now we need some simplification further to look for x. So now let's group like terms and simplify further. So we know that (2x minus 3x) will give us negative x is equal to 3 times 36 minus 3 times 48. And when you simplify this, you're supposed to get x is equal to 36 kilometers. So the good surface is 36 kilometers. The present ages of a father and his son are in the ratio 10:3. If the son is 15 years old now, in how many years will the ratio of their ages be 2:1? So we let the father's age be a variable, let's say x. So the father is x years old now, and the ratio x is to 15 is equal to 10:3. So x over 15 is equal to 10 over 3. So x is equal to 10 over 3 times 15. This will give us 50 years. So the father is 50 years now. So now the question continues. In how many years will the ratio of their ages be 2:1? So let's say in 1 year's time the ratio will be 2:1. And in that 1 year time the father will be 50 plus 1 years. And the son will be 15 plus y years. So the ratio now 50 plus y over 15 plus y is equal to 2:1 or 2/1. 2/1. So we simplify this. 50 plus y is equal to 2 into bracket 15 plus y. So 50 plus y is equal to 30 plus 2y. So we have y to be equal to 20 years. So in 20 years time the ratio will be 2:1. Salem, Sunday and Shaka shared a sum of 1,100 naira. For every 2 naira that Salem gets, Sunday gets 50 kobo, and for every 4 naira that Sunday gets, Shaka gets 2 naira. Find Shaka's share. So we let their ratio be, we let their ratio be A is to B is to C. So we have A is to B is to C. Now we're told that for every 2 naira that Salem gets, Sunday gets 50 kobo. So A is to B is equal to 2 naira is to 50 kobo. So this is where the rate comes in. We need to express all in the same quantity. So let's express them in naira. So we know 100 kobo will give you 1 naira. So 50 kobo will give us 0.5 naira. So simplify this further. A over B will be equal to 2/1/2. And this is the same as 4/1. So we have this ratio A is to B equal 4:1. Now let's check that of Sunday and Shaka. So B is to C is equal to 4 naira is to 2 naira. So we simplify this to obtain 2:1. Now let's check something over here. Now we can express this as A is equal to 4B. A is equal to 4B. Then when we come here to, we can express this as B is equal to 2C. B is equal to 2C. So the ratio A is to B is to C. By the way, we could also express this as, so the ratio is, we could also express this as C is equal to B/2. So the ratio A is to B is to C. We know A is 4B, then the B is still B, then the C is B/2. So we are expressing everything in terms of B. So we simplify this. 4:1 is to 1/2. And we can simplify this further into 8:2:1. So that ratio that corresponds to Shaka is 1. So Shaka's share is 1/11, which is the total ratio, times 1,100 naira, and this will give us 100 naira. So Shaka's share is 100 naira.